What's up, YouTube? Woo! Mr. King coming at you live. Today, you're going to learn how to make an animation using BrushNinja. We're going to start with the features. On the left here, we have the different line thicknesses. So the littler dots are thin, the bigger ones are thick. And then, if you want to delete, what I like to do is use the arrow, and then you can move them all around and also delete them. Now, color. I usually like to stay in the median area, and then color is over here. Super. If there's a color you don't like I don't like this yellow, you hit change. Change is right here, and then you can scroll and get a brighter yellow. So this is the different colors, and then you drag this to get it brighter. Oh crap, too green. Okay. So today we're going to be starting with weather. Let's say you want to draw the sun or the moon. I'm going to delete the super. Let's say you want to draw the moon. You go to the paintbrush, and then you can have it on the pencil mode. You could also have smooth to have it smooth out for you. That's not ideal. None of these look like the moon, but that's okay. Okay. That one looked pretty good. Then if you want to fill in, you click the arrow, click on it, and then this bucket will fill it in for you. You could fill it in with yellow. You could also fill it in with black if you want. Or any color, really. What's also cool is if you keep drawing, whatever you draw will fill in that color as well. So if I wanted like a McDonald's theme, you could do that. So that's just a cool feature too. Not super useful. Okay. Now, we're going to go over how to do the weather. So we're going to start with rain clouds. And rain clouds are pretty hard to draw. And luckily they have a lot of shapes. So click on this feature here, more, and then find clouds. And then we're going to have it rain. So get a cloud color you like. And then start making clouds. You can drag it to get the shape you want. I'm not going to make them too big. And then you can use the arrow to move it around. You make it skinnier or wider if you need. And then once you get a cloud that you like, you can copy it. You can also hit Control C and then Control V. And then you got clouds. Okay. Here are my clouds. I'm also going to add rain. So I'm going to go to more, raindrop, and then I'm going to get a rain color that I like. I'm going to have them fill in with blue. Good. Okay. And this is what animators do. They copy and paste a lot. That is why you always see characters with the same clothes. And then I'm going to spread out the raindrops. Try and make it even. Okay. So 3 clouds, 3 raindrops. Very simple. Yours could be more complicated if you want. Once you got a frame that you like, the most important button here is duplicate. These are the frames you have. Okay? And if you want them to go down all at once, you highlight them all with the arrow, and then you could use your arrow keys to move them down a bit. And then duplicate again, and have them move a little bit more. That's all the animation is just moving pictures. The more frames that you add, the more clean the animation. Okay? So that's the basics of animation right there. Let's say I wanted to have it stop raining. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate before anything, and then start moving the clouds away. And I'm still going to have the rain go down. Okay? And then duplicate again, have the clouds move more out of the way. This one too. Have these get close to the ground. Just gonna check my work. Okay, it's starting to go away. And if you want the frame to last longer, you can hit this plus right there to make the frame last a little longer. And then duplicate. I'll have them go away more. I'm gonna have the rain about to hit the ground. Make a copy. Oh, but I don't want them all to be too long. So I'm gonna change those back. Okay. Next, I'm gonna get rid of the clouds and the rain. I don't want it to be raining anymore. I want to make it sunny. So what I'll do is I'll go to shapes and then find one that'll match the sun. I'll do a circle, keep it simple. And then I want to fill in with yellow. Get a sun that you like. I like to put my suns in the corner. And then I'll make it happy since it's nice and sunny. Oh, didn't like that though. I will make it transparent. Okay. Maybe I'll have it smile at the end. Oh shoot. Alright, let's see how this looks. Awesome. Okay. If I want the sun to last a little longer, I can also make a lot of frames of it. Let's see how this looks now. Okay, and if I want to add like a caption, something I can do is add text. So I'm going to say the sun will come out tomorrow. I'm going to make them both black. And then you just click where you want to type it. Sun will come out. Keep it positive. And then you hit use. And then bam. There is your text. If you want to edit it, just click on the arrow. If you make a mistake, and then click on it again. And then you can start typing. Okay? That is the basics of animation. When you are all done and ready to go, you hit export. This is so you can download it. Sunny weather. Okay. And then export as animated GIF. And then you're going to want to download it. Okay, so it's exporting, it's converting it to a GIF file. And then you hit download. Now it's on my laptop. And at the end, I want to use this link. Hit the plus sign. Give it a name. And then click this button. Make sure you put your name on it so I know who posted it. Click that button so you can upload the file. Okay. And then when you're ready, hit publish. And then there you go. Now the GIF is posted and everyone can see it, and that is how you'll be doing your GIFs today. Thank you so much everyone for staying with me the whole time. Have a great day.